Switch today. The future is zero carbon emission.
Motorcycles serve a critical function in the African economy. Every day, millions of people make a living transporting people and goods on motorcycles, connecting the most remote corners of Africa to commerce. But traditional bikes are dirty and costly. PowerHive is providing an e-motorcycle and battery swapping solution to this problem. Electric mobility means huge savings for the environment, but it also means huge savings for riders who depend on motorcycles for their income.
Kama ni ya mafuta ningekuwa natumia maybe 1,200 ama even 1,500 per day. But for now, because tunatumia battery, natumia only 500 shillings.
Yeah, ina save much.